She records audiobooks from her closet. $3,000 per month. Just a USB microphone and a quiet space. No fancy studio. No expensive equipment. Just her voice and a laptop. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. If you have a clear speaking voice and can follow directions, you could be making $50 to $150 per hour doing voiceover work from home. Let me show you exactly how this works. Voiceover artists are everywhere. That commercial you heard on the radio this morning? Voiceover. The training video at your job? Voiceover. Your favorite podcast? Voiceover. Audiobooks, explainer videos, phone system messages, video games, animations. All of it needs real human voices. And companies are willing to pay good money for the right voice. Here's what blows my mind. Entry-level voiceover talent earns around $50 per hour, according to recent data. But here's where it gets interesting. Early career professionals with just 1 to 4 years of experience average $51 per hour. Experienced voice actors can command anywhere from $100 to $500 per hour, depending on the project. And audiobook narrators? They typically earn $200 to $300 per finished hour of recording. Since most audiobooks take 4 to 6 hours of recording time, you're looking at $1,200 to $1,800 per audiobook. The barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need a professional recording studio. You need 3 things: a quality USB microphone, a quiet room, and free editing software. That's it. Let's talk equipment. A decent USB microphone costs between $100 and $200. The Audio-Technica 2020 USB is around $120 and delivers professional quality sound. The Blue Yeti is another popular choice in the same price range. These plug directly into your computer. No audio interface needed. No complicated setup. Your recording space doesn't need soundproofing foam or expensive treatment. Many successful voice actors record in their closets. Seriously, closets are naturally quiet because clothes absorb sound. Hang some blankets or use moving blankets to dampen echoes. You want a dead sound with minimal reverb. That's all you need. For editing software, use Audacity. It's completely free and has everything you need to clean up your recordings. Remove background noise, adjust levels, export in different formats. Professional voice actors use it. You can too. Now, let's talk about finding work. Voices.com is the biggest platform. Over 5,000 jobs posted every month. Companies like Fortune 100 businesses use it to find voice talent. Here's how it works. You create a free profile, upload demo samples of your voice, and start auditioning for jobs. When clients like your audition, they hire you. Voices handles payment through their SurePay system, so you never chase clients for money. Nearly $200 million has been processed through their platform. Fiverr is another option. You create voiceover packages and clients come to you. You set your own prices. Many voice actors charge $50 to $200 per project, depending on length and usage. The beauty of Fiverr is you're not competing in auditions. Clients browse profiles and buy directly from you. Upwork and Voice123 are also popular platforms. Each has its own fee structure and client base. The key is to be on multiple platforms to maximize opportunities. Here's the pricing structure you need to understand. For non-broadcast work like audiobooks or e-learning videos, you typically charge by word count or finished recording time. A script with 4,500 to 6,000 words might pay $750 to $999. For broadcast work like commercials, pricing depends on market size and usage. A local radio commercial might pay $250 to $500. A national TV commercial, $5,000 to $10,000 or more. Starting out, focus on building your portfolio. Record 3 to 5 demo samples showcasing different styles. Conversational style for corporate narration. Energetic style for commercials. Serious authoritative style for documentaries or training. Warm, friendly style for audiobooks. Each demo should be 30 to 60 seconds and highlight your best work. Voiceover isn't about having a movie trailer voice. It's about clear articulation, good pacing, and the ability to take direction. Can you read a script naturally without sounding like you're reading? Can you adjust your tone and energy based on feedback? Can you maintain consistency across takes? These skills matter more than having a deep dramatic voice. Practice is everything. Read out loud daily. Record yourself reading different types of content. Listen back critically. What sounds good? What sounds awkward? The more you practice, the better you get controlling your voice, pacing your reads, and delivering what clients want. Here's what nobody tells you. Voiceover work solves geographic barriers completely. You can live anywhere in the world and work for clients anywhere else. A company in New York can hire you in Texas or California or India. As long as you have internet and can deliver quality audio files, location doesn't matter. This is true work from anywhere freedom. The market is growing. Voices.com has over 4 million members worldwide with over 500,000 jobs posted since inception. That's not slowing down. More content gets created every year. More videos, more podcasts, more audiobooks, more training materials. All of it needs voices. The demand is there. Let's be realistic about earnings. When starting, you won't make $3,000 per month immediately. It takes time to build a reputation, collect positive reviews, and understand what clients want. But the path is clear. Start with lower-paying gigs to build your portfolio. $5 to $25 for short scripts on Fiverr. $50 to $100 for small projects on Voices. As you accumulate good ratings and samples, you raise your rates and pursue better-paying work. The beautiful thing about voiceover is scalability. You can do this as a side hustle for a few hundred extra per month, or you can build it into a full-time income. Some voice actors earn 6 figures annually. It depends on how much time you invest, how good you get, and how well you market yourself. One important note, beware of scams. Legitimate platforms like Voices, Fiverr, and Upwork never ask you to pay up front for jobs. If someone wants you to pay for training or a spot in their agency before you can work, run. Real clients pay you. You don't pay them. Your voice is an asset. Most people never think about monetizing it, but companies need voices every single day for countless projects. If you have a clear speaking voice and willingness to learn, this opportunity is wide open. The equipment costs less than $200. The software is free. The platforms are waiting. You just need to start. If this opened your eyes to making money with your voice, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm showing you real ways to earn income that most people don't know about. Next week, another side hustle that's blowing up in 2026. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.